Hello and welcome to Fruits and Vegetables channel. Today's video focuses on 8 powerful strategies for lowering cholesterol naturally, no medications required. High cholesterol is a significant risk factor for heart disease, and it's essential to manage it properly. The good news is that there are plenty of natural ways to reduce your cholesterol levels, and that's what we're going to discuss today. Incorporate heart-healthy foods into your diet. The first strategy is to incorporate heart-healthy foods into your diet. Eating foods that are rich in soluble fiber, such as oatmeal, apples, and beans, can help reduce your LDL or bad cholesterol levels. Other foods that are good for your heart include fish, nuts, and plant-based oils like olive oil. Eating a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can help lower your cholesterol levels and reduce your risk of heart disease. 2. Avoid saturated and trans fats. The second strategy is to avoid saturated and trans fats. These types of fats can raise your LDL or bad cholesterol levels and increase your risk of heart disease. Saturated fats are found in animal products like meat, cheese, and butter, while trans fats are found in processed foods like cookies, crackers, and fried foods. Instead, choose healthier fats like those found in nuts, seeds, and plant-based oils. 3. Get plenty of exercise. The third strategy is to get plenty of exercise. Physical activity can help increase your HDL or good cholesterol levels, which can help reduce your risk of heart disease. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week, such as brisk walking, cycling, or swimming. If you're new to exercise, start slowly and work your way up to more intense workouts. 4. Quit smoking. The fourth strategy is to quit smoking. Smoking can damage your blood vessels and increase your risk of heart disease. If you're a smoker, quitting can help improve your cholesterol levels and overall heart health. Speak with your healthcare provider for help quitting, as there are many resources available to assist you. 5. Manage your stress. The fifth strategy is to manage your stress. Chronic stress can raise your LDL or bad cholesterol levels and increase your risk of heart disease. Find ways to manage your stress, such as through meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. Make time for activities you enjoy, and prioritize self-care to reduce your stress levels and improve your heart health. 6. Lose weight. The sixth strategy is to lose weight. Being overweight or obese can raise your LDL or bad cholesterol levels and increase your risk of heart disease. Losing weight through a healthy diet and exercise can help improve your cholesterol levels and reduce your risk of heart disease. 7. Limit alcohol intake. The seventh strategy is to limit alcohol intake. Drinking too much alcohol can raise your triglyceride levels, a type of blood fat that can increase your risk of heart disease. If you drink alcohol, limit your intake to 1 drink per day for women and 2 drinks per day for men. 8. Consider supplements. The eighth strategy is to consider supplements. Certain supplements, such as plant sterols and stanols, may help lower your LDL or bad cholesterol levels. However, speak with your healthcare provider before starting any supplements, as they can interact with medications and cause side effects. In conclusion, these are 8 powerful strategies for lowering cholesterol naturally. By incorporating heart-healthy foods into your diet, avoiding saturated and trans fats, getting plenty of exercise, quitting smoking, managing your stress, losing weight, limiting alcohol intake, and considering supplements, you can help improve your cholesterol levels. We hope you enjoyed learning about how to lower your cholesterol naturally. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more healthy and delicious recipes. Thank you for watching.